back to our channel. So today we will be making this.
Rice Krispie treat ghosts on this rainy, quarantined day. All right, let's look at the ingredients.
It's raining outside and we're staying inside all day.
Okay. So, it comes with Rice Krispies, marshmallows, frosting, mold, popsicle sticks. We need butter.
Getting the butter.
And that's it to start. Okay, step one. Dump marshmallows.
All of them?
All of them.
Get in there.
Okay, marshmallow. Butter.
In. Check.
Okay. Turn this on. Low.
You said you went backwards. You're going up. 2, go. Oh, we're making Rice Krispie treats.
Oh.
I want to.
This is done. We decided to add chocolate chips in. All right, take some out and put it into the molds.
Ooh, this is hot.
Go ahead. Now push them down. Hey. Need the spoon to help you?
Can I try one, like this piece?
Mm-hmm. Okay, watch out. All right, we'll roll them into little ghosts. Okay, so here are
Maybe
ghosts.
we should color it.
that we made.
Maybe we should color it in black.
Yeah, I made icing, but
It doesn't taste
it didn't
very
taste
good.
good. It
Guys,
came with like a packet.
taste it. Yeah.
All right, let's get rid of this icing.
Yuck. Yuck. See, our other people, like subscribers, hate the icing.
Okay, which one do you want to do?
This one.
Okay. Did you just eat an eye? You fixed its eye?
Yep.
Okay. Giving it one O. These Rice Krispie treats are good because they're egg free and peanut free. So it didn't come with chocolate and it didn't say to put chocolate in there, but we decided to put chocolate in. They look good, don't they?
Here's its little mouth. Here's its little nose.
Hey,
and
Alex.
There's its eye and hair.
Do you want to decorate some too?
No.
Can I decorate yours?
Yeah.
You sure, Alex?
Yeah. I don't want to decorate.
Why not?
Really, I just don't want to.
All you have to do is draw faces on.
It's belly button. I'm gonna color it in.
The whole thing? No, we don't have enough for that. Can I try it? So Alex doesn't want to decorate any, so I'm gonna decorate one for him. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like mine? Go ahead. Did you get the other eye? You. Good job. Give it a mouth.
Zoop.
Okay, good job.
Wait a second. Here's this one's mouth. Ooh. And here's it's one eye and two eyes.
Okay, comment in Instagram if you like our Rice Krispie treat ghosts.
And if you like mine, and I ate the eyes.
Silly.
Oh look, the rain is picking up.
Lissa.
Hey look, the sun's trying to come out. So give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.